What is going on, guys? Cesar here. Are you looking to start an affiliate marketing business from scratch in 2023? You are in the right place. Now, let me give you some awesome tips in this video, and let me ask you right now if you know someone that buys from Amazon. Because if you do, what you can do is you can scroll down and become an affiliate for Amazon.com, which is one of the biggest e-commerce platforms in the world. And if you send that person your affiliate link, you can earn an affiliate marketing commission. If you click here on become an affiliate, you are going to access this page and you can become an Amazon associate. Now let me show you how people is promoting Amazon products, and I'm going to show you this TikTok account. And as you can see on the screen, we have all of these videos that this person is reviewing Amazon products. Now, for example, let me put this video so you can watch it. And as you can see, automatic stirrer, the last one is my favorite. And one of the best things that this person is doing is that he put here his affiliate link, and if someone click this affiliate link and buy through his links, this person is going to make an affiliate marketing commission. Now, one of the things you need to know about this Amazon Associates affiliate program is that they pay lower commission. Now let me show you how much you can earn from the Amazon Associates program. As you can see on the screen, we have for Amazon Games 20%, for Luxury and Beauty 10%, and physical books 4.50%. But as you can see in the screen, these commissions are low. Another example is clickbank.com. And one of the cool things about this affiliate marketplace is that you can promote many products and niches. For example, arts and entertainment, business and investing, e-business and e-marketing, games, green products, and a lot of more. Now, if we click here in e-business and e-marketing, which is one of the best niches that you can promote, you can see, for example, this product, the 120 profit, you can earn $577 per sale. So this is a bigger commission if we compare this with the Amazon Associates program. Now let me show you. You can go to the second page and you are going to find more products that you can promote. For example, this conversion bot, you can earn $239, and perpetual link on 365, you can earn $502 if you make a sale with this affiliate program. Now, one of the things you need to do in 2023 to have success with affiliate marketing is that you need to collect a lead. Now, let me show you what is the strategy that I'm using, because some people send traffic, direct traffic to the affiliate link, but that is not the right way, because you need to build your affiliate marketing business for the long term. Now let's say this is your affiliate offer, and here you need to put an opt-in page, which is going to help you to collect a lead. And this email is the most important thing of your affiliate business, because when you collect this email, you can send to this person your offer, but you have this data and you can help them in the process. Some people send traffic to this offer, and it's great if you want to make a quick buck, but if you want to have success with affiliate marketing in the long term, you need to create this opt-in page. Now, if you want to get access to a training which is going to explain to you how to create 5-second silent videos without needing a product, having a following or experience, and while still working your 9-to-5 job, and if you don't want to show your face, you can click the link in the description of this video so you can get access to this free masterclass. If you like this information, subscribe to my channel because I'm uploading videos almost every single day to help you guys if you want to start with affiliate marketing. Talk to you soon. Bye.